My family and I went through hell, to say the least. I was the prime breadwinner for my family. I was suspended from earning an income for my family for about 15 months. I was incarcerated for 18 days. None of that should have happened. I came in, I appeared in front of, over the course of this matter dealing with the sexual assault, I've dealt with 7 different judges. 3 at the Court of Appeal, 1 at the Provincial Court, 1 at the Supreme Court, and 1 that signed my DNA order at the Provincial Court. 0 black judges out of 7 people. In a province with 3% of the population is black, with a historical African Nova Scotian population that we have, it's unacceptable. We're standing in a building where there's been 0 judges that are African Nova Scotian, ever, in the history of Nova Scotia. I have a huge problem with that. Before I said anything, the media dealt with my matter extensively. They brushed over the issue where, during my jury selection, several individuals admitted to the judge under oath that they couldn't see past their own racial biases. In other words, they indicated that they couldn't judge the matter impartially based on the fact that I was black and the complainant is white. We have some problems here, and my issue is one thing, and in terms of my problems, you know, I can resolve that, but I think that other people in power need to take a strong look at other systemic issues that are at play. I can tell you, as a black person coming into this building, every time that I do, I don't feel at home. And I shouldn't feel that way. We should feel that when we step into the court, that we're actually gonna feel that we're getting a fair shake equal to what a white person would, and I don't feel that way.
We had to consider, of course, whether we were proceeding again, and there was heavily weighing in that decision was the impact on the complainant and whether she was able to proceed again. In some cases, we do compel the witness to testify again. In this case, we had considered the unique nature of the case, including several days of testimony, grueling testimony that she had to go through the first time, as well as other things that would have impacted and influenced her decision. We respected that decision in this case. Her evidence was necessary to proceed with the case, and without it, we didn't have a realistic prospect of conviction. So respecting her decision, we decided not to proceed.